Creating a DIY Christmas tray garden. A shallow tray, wooden, metal, or plastic, potting soil, small potted plants or succulents, miniature evergreens, holly, ivy, and so on, small Christmas decorations, many ornaments, pine cones, tiny figurines, faux snow, and so on, sand or moss for texture and coverage, ribbon or garland optional for added holiday flair. Instructions. Prepare the tray. Start by choosing a shallow, sturdy tray. You can use an old serving tray, a wooden crate, or even a metal baking tray. Line the bottom with plastic if it's not already waterproof. Add soil. Fill the tray with a layer of potting soil, about 2 to 3 inches deep. Is a fun and festive way to bring some holiday cheer into your home or garden.